It's been a while since we have an Range Rover SVR in the shop for exhaust upgrade, and today here we have one year 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR 5-litre V8 supercharged SVR that is in for Quicksilver Exhaust upgrade. So now before we begin the installation of the exhaust system, let's do a sound check, listen to how does the factory exhaust system sounds like on the SVR. Alright, here we have removed the factory exhaust system out from the SVR, and this is how it looks like. This is the catback section that we are going to replace today. So on the original exhaust system, on the mid pipe, you have this very huge center resonator, and to the rear, you have this massively huge rear mufflers. Yes, on the original exhaust system, it does have valve control function, but then even if you toggle the exhaust button, the flaps are open. It is not really loud at all, and also these original valves, they don't actually open up 100% all the time. And here we have our best-selling exhaust system for the SVR that we did quite a lot throughout the years. So on the SVR system, on the mid pipe, as you can see, it is a non-resonated mid pipe. So what Quicksilver did is they removed the center resonator, of course, then they have this section of an X pipe layout on the mid pipe. So with this X pipe on the V8, definitely it gives more of the V8 rumble tone. It sounds definitely a lot better. And to the rear, this is where all the magic happens. So here, this is how the Quicksilver mufflers looks like. And when you put it side by side to compare with the original muffler, is quite an obvious difference. This is a lot smaller, so it offers way better sound compared to the original exhaust system. Also, the Quicksilver system, yes, it does have valve control function, but it is not integrated with the exhaust button inside the car. Instead, Quicksilver, that comes with this remote key fob for the owners to manually control the valves. So basically we have the exhaust button on, and also this will close the valves. And finally, the main highlight of the Quicksilver exhaust system will definitely be this beautiful handcrafted carbon fiber tailpipes in a quad tips layout in replace of the factory rectangular shaped exhaust tips. So with this carbon fiber tailpipes installed on the SVR, definitely it looks more aggressive, a lot better compared to the original tailpipes. And that's the product explanation of the Quicksilver exhaust system. Now we'll get back to work to install this onto the SVR. And later, once we have everything fitted, of course, as usual, we'll do a sound check, compare the Quicksilver sound and the original exhaust system sound. Also bear in mind that with the Quicksilver system installed on your SVR, not only that you get the monstrous sound out of your V8 SVR, you will also benefit from the weight reduction that this Quicksilver system gets compared to the original system, because this is definitely a lot lighter compared to the very heavy original exhaust system. And this is how the SVR sounds like after we upgraded with the Quicksilver Sound Architect exhaust system. The car sounds comfortably quiet with the valves closed and aggressively loud when you have the valves fully open, with a touch of button by using the Quicksilver remote control that is given in the package. And also, whenever you downshift the car, lift off the throttle, it gives you some really nice pops and also a little bit of burble. This is definitely a sound that you can't have with the original exhaust system, and this is how the SVR supposed to sound like when you have a 5-litre V8 supercharged engine. This is the aggressive exhaust tone that's supposed to have on the SVR. And that's all for today's video. So let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the Quicksilver exhaust system on the SVR. How does the exhaust system sound like, and also how does it look like after we replace the exhaust system with this beautiful quad tips, the carbon fiber tips from Quicksilver. If you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We'll see you in our next video.